and good morning, children. How are you all? Good? Okay, so let's start our class. Welcome to the phonic class, and today we'll be learning a new phonic sound, that is V. The letter is V and the sound is V. Say with me, V. You need to touch your teeth with your lower lips, okay? V. Say with me, V. Yes. So now, can you see the formation here? It's the V sound. Which sound? V sound. Yes. So, take your finger and trace along with me for the formation of the V sound. Okay, children? So, take your index finger out and trace along with me. Okay. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Okay. You can go on with numbers. Okay. If it's hard to say, you can go along with numbers like this. 1, 2. Okay. Now your turn. 1, 2. Good job. 1, 2. Well done. Okay. If you haven't got the formation, you can practice it with your finger or you can practice it on a paper. Okay. So, children, before starting, let's go to the phonic song and the action of the V sound. Which sound? V sound. Yes. So, let's do the phonic song and the action. So children, this was the phonic song and the action. Now let's see the vocabulary words and the pictures related to the V sound. Okay, so you can see the pictures here. So let's go and see the pictures one by one. Okay, so here's the first picture. What do you see? Yes, it's a vegetable. Say with me, vegetables. V, vegetables. V, vegetables. V, vegetables. Yes. And this one is vase. V, vase. Say with me, V, vase. Flower vase. Okay. And this one here is a van. Say with me, van. V, van. V, van. Good job. And this one here is vest. Yes, you wear it underneath your shirt. Okay. So it's a vest. Say with me, vest. V, vest. V, vest. Good job. So lastly we have volcano. Say with me, volcano. V, volcano. V, volcano. Okay. Now we will move on to the phonic song and the action of the V sound. Are you ready to learn the new phonic song and the action? Yes? Good job. So let's start. First, I will tell you the lyrics of the V sound song. Okay? So children, the lyrics is drive Vic's van round the village. Okay, this line you will say 3 times. Okay? Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village.
v, v.
So now let's do with the song, and later on we will do without song. Okay? So let's start. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh. Let's do again. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh. Okay. Did you got it? If you haven't, we will do one more time. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh.
Okay, children, now take your phonics people book 1. Okay, you will take this book out and then we will turn on to the page number 28. Okay, page number 28. So we will do the first half of this book. Okay, children. So what we need to do here is we need to color the Vicks van. Okay, so we need to color the picture and then we will write the V sound on the dots and without dots. Okay, so we will on the second line we will just write the Z and V sound. We will not write the extra thing. Okay, so let's color the picture first. Okay, for the pictures, children, I have taken 3 colors already, blue, orange and black. Okay, so I'll be making my Vicks van orange and I'll be putting some blue in it and I'll be making the tire black. Okay, so let's start coloring the picture. So children, as you can see, I have colored the picture. You can see my Vicks van is orange and some of the places are blue. Okay, and the tires are black. Okay, so it's looking good. You can also make your car look very good. Okay, you can use any color. You don't need to use orange or blue. You can use any color. Okay, so now we will write the V sound, okay, on the dots and then without dots. So you can see here they have given the formation and you must remember that your V sound will come between the two blue lines and your formation will be 1 and 2. Okay, so first you will write on the dots and then you will write it without dots. Okay, so you need to trace on the dots in the correct formation and without dot also you will make the correct formation. Okay, children, so you need to see very carefully how I am making. In the same way you need to make the V sound in your textbook. Okay, so without dot you will put your pencil on the dot and then you will drag the line 1 and 2 and then you will make your V sound. Okay, and on the second line, as I have told you before, you don't need to write the extra thing, you just need to write the familiar sounds. Okay, like Z and V. Okay, so first you will write on the dot and then without dot. In the same way you will do with the V sound. Okay, so I hope you got the video. Okay, and I hope you will enjoy the video. So thank you for watching and See you soon. Bye bye, kids.